Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dianyosi Arinawati. I am the leader of this community service, and here is our members. This community service scheme is PKM Riset Terapan, Faculty of Dentistry, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Yogyakarta. The title of this study is Association between Diabetes mellitus, Oral Hygiene, and Periodontal Disease. Periodontal disease is a major chronic inflammatory condition that might lead to tooth loss and affect systemic health. Diabetes mellitus increases the risk and severity of periodontal disease through multiple biological mechanisms. Poor oral hygiene is a key modifiable risk factor in periodontal disease progression. Most existing studies are hospital-based. Few data available from primary dental clinic in Indonesia. Therefore, the objective of this study is to evaluate the association between diabetes mellitus, oral hygiene status, and periodontal disease prevalence in adults. This is our methodology. This was a cross-sectional study conducted at Citra Asri Dental Clinic, Sleman, Yogyakarta from January to March 2025. We included 84 adult patients aged 18 or older. Data were collected from the clinical records, including age, gender, diabetes status, oral hygiene index, and periodontal condition. We use chi-square test to examine association and the main Whitney U test to compare age differences, and p-value below 0.05 was considered statistically significant. Here is the result of the study. Out of 84 participants, the average age was about 64 years, and 62% were female. 34.5% of the patients had diabetes. Poor oral hygiene was observed in over 64% of participants. The periodontitis prevalence present in 34% of diabetic patients compared to 16% in non-diabetic. However, this difference was not statistically significant. There was also no significant association between sex and periodontitis, nor between diabetes and oral hygiene status. Importantly, we found a strong and statistically significant association between poor oral hygiene and periodontitis. Most patients with poor oral hygiene had periodontitis, while none in the good hygiene group did. Additionally, patients with periodontitis tended to be older, but the age difference was not statistically significant. In summary, diabetic patients had a higher prevalence of periodontitis, but the association was not statistically significant in the sample. Poor oral hygiene was clearly and strongly linked to periodontal disease. This finding underscores the importance of oral hygiene education, especially for patients with systemic disease like diabetes. We recommend further research with larger multi-center sample to be explore this relationship. Here is our program documentation. This is with the Mitra of Clinic Citra Asri. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya.